Namaste Bittiya, Khushro Bittiya. I'm JVN Dr. Sapna Gehlot and my topic on decision making theory. In this topic, we'll discuss about the meaning, definition, assumption, variables of Snyder's. Now come to the point. This theory was developed specially in the field of foreign policy making. It concentrates on the persons who shape international events rather than on the international situation as such. This theory was propounded by Snyder, Brooke and Sapin in this year 1954. This model is called as, you can say this theory is called as a SBS model, means Snyder, Brooke and Sapin. This decision making theory lays emphasis on the question as to how and why a national acts in international politics. When it comes to the definition, we can say that according to Hoffman, decision making is a process which results in the selection from a socially defined number of problematical project alternatives of one project to bring about the particular future state of affair envisaged by the decision maker. The focus or the objective of the study are: number one, it is the identification of decision maker. Then it is an analysis of decision making process, and the third one is search for proper method or technique to follow on international politics and its process. When it comes to the purpose of this framework, or you can say of this theory, we can say that it is identify the psychological individual, identify the sociological, the group or the organization, and the main things which comes to the major factors or variables of this approach. The foreign policy is examined and the following factors are studied: purpose of the foreign policy, second, it is a decision makers, then principle of decision making, process of decision making and the policy planning. Means of decision making policy and policy planning. When it comes to international situations of the state or internal settings, it means environment within their state. External factors means it is actions and policies of other state. It is consider all the elements and factors that enter into the considerations of decision makers, such as internal setting, external setting and the decision making process. This official decision makers takes action in the name of the state. Under this decision making process, it divides into many subcategories, that is sphere of competence, communication and motivation.